With the current craziness of DDR5 pricing and people reevaluate even bother to build a PC now, Crucial may have saved the day with this new bundle deal that they have on Amazon at the time of this video. Let's get into this. Hi everyone, it's Boy Lot Tech buying in with some more tech news. Hope you're an awesome week so far and your plans for Thanksgiving and Black Friday are set and you're ready to shop and eat. Now, I came across yet another article. Looks like this week has been last week been a lot of news start creeping out. And on PCMag.com, it was also on Tom's Hardware and some other forums that usually have like news and rumors or whatever. And now we all know that DDR5 been going bonkers and insane. I made a video about it previously. I saw how crazy my thoughts were in there because I think it's ridiculous how 32 gigs is now triple the price or even more in some cases. And it's really a shame that the cheapest DDR5 6000 CL30 kit you could get now is $300 and change or even more. Everybody been myself had part list set up and potentially we're trying to in the middle of building again the parts together. I'm sure y'all got shocked by seeing the price hike all of a sudden compared to a month or two ago when DDR5 was actually really decent and even Gen 5 Gen SSDs were balancing out price wise and weren't overly expensive even when you go to like 4 terabyte capacities and whatnot. But now all that's changed. Storage is still bearable, but they start creeping a little bit too along with the RAM, but not as by leaps and bounds that the RAM DDR5 has been. And I'm sure y'all be seeing it all over the news, all over the YouTube, all over the internet. People just complain about DDR5. I'm one of them because I think it's ridiculous. I'm paying almost $600 for 64 gigs stick when 2 months or even a full 2 months ago, I could get a 64 gig stick for max high 2s to low 3s for 64 gig kit DDR5. It's just ridiculous. I'm highly concerned, like I said last video, I'm highly concerned the PC master race market right now. Now back on topic, the Crucial, everyone know their brand. They make really good, they're known for good memory, like good RAM, good history in general. And they also have a good history with their new T1s, Gen 5 SSDs or NVMEs being good bang for your buck. I think the only complaint when they first released it that they tend to got kind of warm, but I don't see any of those kind of reviews anymore for the T1 on Gen 5 SSDs or NVMEs from Crucial. Now they have a current deal. At the time of this video, Amazon has a Crucial deal that gives you a 64 mega transfers, 32 gig kit, DDR5 CL32, plus a 2 terabyte T1 Gen 5 NVMe for $330, give or take, when it used to be closer to $500. Now, for people who don't want to spend the money on a whole RAM kit costing almost $400, you get 32 gigs of CL32, 6400 megahertz mega transfers RAM, and a 2 terabyte Gen 5 SSD for roughly $330. I don't know if it changed since I made this video, but that's what I've been for the last week or so. And it's a big kind of a steal because now if people want to look at put the parts together, they could just grab that bundle and then part to all the other stuff that's not arm and a leg, if you get my drift. Now, I don't know how long this is going to last, but if you're on the market for building a new rig and you're really tired and freaking out over the RAM prices for DDR5 right now, I advise to check this deal out on Amazon. Just go on Amazon and look up Crucial Bundle or something along those lines. Crucial T1 Bundle, something like that. It's how I found it. And it should still be live, hopefully. I don't know how Amazon works, but as the time of this video, it was still active when I looked at it a couple hours ago. But if you're on the fence of even bothering to do any builds this year because the RAM prices just skyrocketed, this is a steal for you if you're looking for 32 gigs and you're looking for DDR5 with 2 terabyte Gen 5 drives. This is the deal. So y'all let me know in the comments below if you think the 330 down from like 500-ish where it used to be is a good bundle deal where you get both 2 terabyte and DDR5 64 megahertz RAM. Do you think it's a good deal? Do you think it's a gimmick? Do you think it's going to last being this affordable for those two things? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, this is by Lock Tech signing out.